Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and today we're going to be talking about a new purchase by Bill Ackman. He just invested in Domino's Pizza. He said he invested around 6%, like around $1 billion. He sold off all his Starbucks stock. We know Starbucks had a huge run up in price, he said, and he just sold that off and he bought a stake in Domino's Pizza. He said he bought Domino's Pizza around 330. Look at this. He bought it around 3:30, March 21st. It had a sell-off. I'm not sure why it sold off, but he got right into it. And look at it already. Already up 28% on his purchase. So you can already see he's been doing really good during this pandemic. All his stocks have been pretty averaging pretty much really good returns. And the thing about seeing I was looking at Domino's is like, yo, they have a lot of debt on their balance sheet. They have $4.1 billion on their balance sheet, and they only have a $386,000 of cash. So I wonder what they're doing. They're probably buying back a lot of their shares, probably using maybe debt to buy back a lot of their shares. Um, who knows? But the thing about Domino's is they generate a lot of cash, and it's one of those consistent businesses. And when you think about it, they had so they benefited so much from the whole pandemic, right? Because people are not trying to go out, they're trying to get their food delivered and pizza, blah blah blah. But even though Bill Ackman said that was actually one of the bear cases for Domino's Pizza, actually, is that there's not a lot of family gatherings. So when people have a lot of family gatherings, they probably order more pizza too. So they saw strong growth, like 29% revenue growth. And Bill Ackman says that wasn't even like a strong like the pandemic was a strong catalyst, but he's thinking even without the lockdowns, right? There's still gonna be more parties, more events, more stuff like that. So it's gonna drive growth even further. And I remember Chris Mayers talked about having purchased Domino's Pizza, I think in the UK, and he said there's so much opportunity for growth. I think they're growing I think in the future they said they're gonna grow 6-8% organically, and internationally they haven't even like got their footing yet. So it looks like Domino's still has a way to go to be a strong growth company. Man, thinking about it, I don't know, like Domino's wasn't even in my radar of stocks to even think about or even look at. So maybe if I knew it was gonna go to 330, I probably would have got in. Who knows? But wow, man, it's interesting. So let's see what like Bill Ackman has to say about this company. So he just talks about Domino's and what he does. He owns a lot of these restaurants. He owns Chipotle. He owns I think what's it? It's like a group stock, like a restaurant chain. McDonald's, Burger King owner, Restaurant Brands International. He owns. So he says we like the restaurant industry. Interesting, we've never lost money investing in a restaurant company. Ackman said during the Wall Street Journal's Future of Everything conference, I think we've never not made a lot of money. So and this is interesting. So let's see, we understand Domino's Pizza, we understand Domino's, but a lot of people are saying that like Domino's Pizza tastes like garbage, right? Like compared to like if you're from New York or from Toronto, like you can go to your local spots and get pizza easily and it tastes way better. But the thing about Domino's Pizza is it's more of a convenient thing. I don't think it's like a taste kind of thing. It's more like convenient. You can get it ordered really quickly and delivered. Like so, and I think it's probably cheaper than the rest if you're getting like local or if you're getting somewhere else, right? So I think it's just like quick service stuff. It's kind of like McDonald's. Like there's better burgers out there than McDonald's, but for like a cheap, quick, like kind of like fast food place to eat, it's perfect. So that's pretty much what Domino's is. So I don't think like the local stuff. We know the local stuff probably tastes better, but Domino's on like a quick value play and like a quick value proposition of like what it serves, I can see why. Um, it's a very strong like company, very strong stock. And that's basically what Bill Ackman sees, and he's saying the competitive advantage. So this is an important competitive advantage in a world where you want to deliver pizza for $7.99. It's hard to do that with a delivery service taking a massive cut of the proceeds. Ackman said Domino was the first and best in terms of delivery technology. So so that's what he sees with Domino's right now. They don't have to use like Uber Eats, so they have their own delivery system. So they're not so Uber and Grubhub, all those places are not getting those cuts on on Domino's Pizza. They are gaining those profits back, so they don't have to worry about Uber taking massive profits from their delivery service. So that's what Bill Ackman sees as being very positive and a strong competitive advantage for um, Domino's Pizza. But tell me what you guys think. Like, what's your bear case on Domino's Pizza? What kind of company do you see this as, or is it a strong company? Because even the growth rates, like, have been pretty good. Like 21% 5 years ago, 21%. They're growing free cash flow at 25%. Book value, they're doing something weird with their book value. I think they're like issuing debt to buy back shares or something like that. But that's when you would have to dive into the business more. This is not investing advice. I wouldn't buy it at these prices. It's already at like yeah, it's like 422, so it's still expensive. So tell me what you guys think about this company. Is this company going to be very good in the future? Do you think that the growth is going to slow down? What do you think? Guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe to my channel. I'll get back to you in the next video. Peace.